Welcome back guys to Simple Drinks. My name is Johnny. Today we are making another amazing cocktail called Grand Duchess. It's a tropical style cocktail. It has an interesting mix of ingredients. Like always, it's nothing too complicated to make, so without further ado, let's make a Grand Duchess. So as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is a tropical style cocktail, but it's vodka based. So first ingredient is vodka, 45 mils, 1.5 ounce. Yeah, that's all of my vodka. Now the second ingredient should be pot still aged Jamaican overproof rum, but I don't have that. I have plantation overproof, so we're going to use that. It's just a splash, 10 mils. Third ingredient is Grenadine, 15 mils, half an ounce. And for some freshness, of course, lime juice, 20 mils, 3/4 of an ounce. Now we need ice. Give it a good shake. Beautiful. Ooh, smells nice. Now use a cocktail glass and fine strain the cocktail. Garnish with a slice of lime. These are beautiful fresh limes. Which are for some reason quite hard to get these days. And just put your slice on the glass, on the rim. And that's it, ladies and gents, Grand Duchess. Cheers! Oh wow, you can't go wrong with tropical style cocktails. They're always good. Maybe not all of them, but most of them. This is not an exception. You can taste lime, you can taste grenadine, you have freshness from the lime, sweetness from the grenadine, you got that kick from overproof rum. Vodka, of course, is nowhere to be seen. So you got that mix of mostly rum, lime and grenadine, which is of course always good. So that's it, ladies and gents, another easy cocktail, Grand Duchess. 4 ingredients only, nothing too complicated. Try it, like I always suggest. Let me know in the comments below what you think. If you enjoyed the video, like always, hit that like button and subscribe, it means a lot. Thank you very much, and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye bye.